Alright, so check this out. This is wild. This is my EGR valve position sensor, okay? So right now I am on the return. Basically I've got vacuum on this sensor right now. As you can see, I'm drawing a vacuum. And it should be around 5 k ohms, anywhere under 5 k ohms, okay? So that being said, I'll go ahead and probe it. Okay, I'm sitting at 4.23 k ohms, okay? That's gonna come down a little bit as the vacuum kind of releases itself. So I'll give it a little more vacuum. Okay, there's what is that, 20 inches of mercury right there. Okay, so let's see where we're at. Okay, 4.23, okay? So now I'm gonna take that pin that was in that plug right here. This is it. Go ahead and plug it in. It is now plugged in the appropriate position. As you can see, I'm wide open. I'm gonna touch the pin. 2.23 k ohms. How in the fuck does that happen? I mean, obviously this connector right here is bad, but wow, that is just freaking impressive. Like, I'm not even on the wire, I'm on the terminal itself. So I've got a bad connection somehow between this metal terminal and the pin on the actual transmitter, the feedback transmitter. So even if I'm wiggling around, in and out, nothing, no change. That just blows my mind. Now the reason I know that that's bad is if I go and try to do it on the other direction, .23, same exact resistance. And if I go and probe both of them together, it's gonna be hard to do with the camera in my hand. Both are probed together, 4.24. So I know that that sensor is within spec. But process of elimination, somehow this fucking thing is no good. Now if I go and do a continuity test between here and the pin out over there, see I got the plugs unplugged, it comes up good. So it's not the wire itself. Somehow just this connector right here is no good. But look at it. It's in perfect shape. There's nothing wrong with that. How? I swear, these sort of things only happen to me.